Genghis Khan. Good weather helped him to conquer. BBC. Genghis Khan was the founder of the Mongol Empire, which historians say was the largest contiguous empire in history. The rise of Genghis Khan and the huge Mongol Empire in the early 13th century may have been helped by good weather, scientists suggest. American researchers studying the rings of ancient trees in central Mongolia have discovered that his rise coincided with the mildest, wettest weather in more than 1000 years. Grass grew at a rapid rate, providing fodder for his war horses. Genghis Khan united the Mongol tribes to invade and rule a vast area. It covered modern day Korea, China, Russia, Eastern Europe, India, and Southeast Asia. Charismatic leader. The research shows that the years before Genghis Khan's rules were characterized by severe drought from 1180 to 1190. But as the empire expanded from 1211 to 1225, Mongolia saw an unusual spell of regular rainfall and mild temperatures. The transition from extreme drought to extreme moisture right then strongly suggests that climate played a role in human events. It wasn't the only thing, but it must have created the ideal conditions for a charismatic leader to emerge out of the chaos, develop an army, and concentrate power. Where it's arid, unusual moisture creates unusual plant productivity, and that translates into horsepower. Ganges was literally able to ride that wave. Allied to the good weather, Genghis Khan was able to unite disparate tribes into an efficient army unit that rapidly conquered its neighbors. Trees living in such conditions grow more slowly and are particularly sensitive to weather changes, and as a result provide an abundance of data to study, scientists say. Some of the trees had lived for more than 1100 years, the experts say, and one piece of wood they found had rings going back to about 650 BC.